So I cut ingredients for the green curries. Okay. Don't need too much. 1/3. 1/3 part of that is okay. Okay. So how to cut onion slice? Okay. 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 So similar slice. Use a pizza tray to prepare everything you need to cut. Then we use some of the vegetables like green capsicum, red capsicum, bean sprouts. This one. Okay. Okay. One piece is okay. So give color. Okay. Give color. Okay, this is okay. No need too much vegetable, huh?
Yeah.
Cut to like angle, right? Triangle or something, yeah? Also, this goes like this. Okay, get rid of this tender. Okay. Then we have some of the coriander. Yes. This is parsley. Coriander. Yes.
Yeah.
This one. This is coriander. Yeah.
好像
This parsley. No?
coriander
Salmon. Some problem. Some problem. We should use coriander. It's not this one. Yeah?
คนไทยก็บอกว่า
It's not coriander. It's parsley. We should use coriander.
这都不行，我也在考虑，以后再做。
They give me wrong ingredients and this one. Give me a glass cup. Take a glass cup from there. Yes. Just put some water inside. Put the water inside.
我都拍了，到时候发给群里，有群上把我拉进来。
Chop. Okay, chop.
đi là đi mình rót giờ mới biết mình rót là
sao
giờ biết lên lên mình
lên
giờ mới biết xem cái lộn gì quên tiếng Anh gì quên
Coriander put here.
mày lên mình rót mình nấu hành
So I wish you get everything clean that, right? Hide it in your workplace. I will divide for you. I will divide for you. Yeah, no problem. I will divide for you. Okay. Let's go.
越南人考虑太啥事儿都常
This is lemongrass. So we need half is okay. This one. Huh?
老师，最后不够了，这么多人。哎，
One half piece is okay, yeah?
这个水芹菜的味道不错。
This is lemongrass.
Lemongrass。哦，香菜。不是水芹菜，和菜。啊，sorry。你闻一下。你先等一下吧。
Don't get everything, yeah?
Yeah, just
don't
wait
don't
after
okay?
school.
I will divide for you, okay? Later. When I finish, I'll give you. Yeah? Chopped. Chopped. Okay? Chopped. So always keep your
Make sure the skin is cut too.
finger, yeah? And bean sprouts. Okay. Here, right? Okay. When you finish, put it here. Okay, then I will start cook also and chicken stock here. Chicken stock. So all we use here. This is half bottle is okay, yeah? Half bottle is okay. Yeah? Okay. Then we marinate it, right? With some salt. Right. White pepper. If you have lemon juice, you can use some lemon juice. Lime?
Yeah.
Lemon. We use half lemon, is okay. Half lemon, huh? Another dish we have lemon as well. Otherwise no more, huh? Okay. So leave 2 wedges for final garnish. The juice. Okay.
On the other side, please get yourself a pan. Please do. Get a pan.
Normally can use green lime, yeah. So we cannot get from market today, so we use this one, okay. And a little of flour. to marinate. Marinate it. No need much.
Yeah.
Okay, just spray it outside. Okay, marinate. Okay, so marinate it. So later we'll clean my hand.